Let's start the video by learning the names of color. Pink, red color, green color, orange color, parrot color, yellow color, purple color, blue color. Now let's color the rainbow. How many rainbows can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 rainbows. Here are 4 rainbows.